Top 5 foods highest in lecithin. Eggs, particularly the yolks, are a rich source of lecithin. They are versatile and can be used in numerous dishes, from breakfast to baking. One large egg, 50 grams, contains about 1,400 milligrams of lecithin. Soybeans and soy products like tofu and soy milk are excellent sources of lecithin. Cherry. They are a staple in vegetarian and vegan diets. 1 cup of cooked soybeans, 186 grams, contains about 8,000 milligrams of lecithin. Sunflower seeds are a plant-based source of lecithin. They are often eaten as a snack or added to salads and baked goods. 1 ounce, 28 grams, of sunflower seeds contains about 1,000 milligrams of lecithin. Peanuts and peanut butter contain significant amounts of lecithin. They are commonly consumed as snacks or used in various recipes. 1 ounce, 28 grams, of peanuts contains about 2,500 milligrams of lecithin. Liver, especially beef liver, is rich in lecithin. It is a nutrient-dense food often included in traditional diets. 3 ounces of cooked liver, 85 grams, contains about 3,500 milligrams of lecithin.